Sachin.
My name is Advik.
Today, we are going to talk about Gamified STEM Robotics. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Math.
If we combine STEM with robotics and make it fun like a game, it is called Gamified STEM Robotics.
Gamified STEM Robotics helps students in many ways. It makes learning enjoyable through games and challenges. It helps problem solving and logical thinking.
It encourages teamwork and creativity and helps students do coding and learn engineering skills.
We have designed and assembled physical robots, including motors and structures. We have created robots using kits. It is a kind of lab setup. Now we will call upon our friend Tosh. Get your ass over here.
So today I will resistors. We use resistors. Resistors determine how much electricity for the given voltage. That breadboard, a portable solderless circuit. We also use jumper wires, LEDs, batteries, SPST and DP/DT switches with other tools. Now I call upon my friend Dash to present.
Now we will speak about series and parallel connections. Series increases the total resistance. Resistors in series are connected in a single path.
Parallel resistors are connected in multiple ways.
Hello.
Parallel increases, decreases total resistance.
Motors. They are AC and DC motors which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. They are also motors in fans, grinders and cars. Now I call my friend Tosh.
So teachers and friends, sit back and watch the interesting and playful competition begin.